Hello guys, it's me Victor and today I have this to unbox. So what is this? This is the Vivo V15. We have done coverage of this before, but why we're doing this today is because Vivo has released a special color, a limited edition color of this called Blossom Pink. Yes, it is pink. It already comes in blue and other colors, but this is pink. As you can see, it's still wrapped in its plastic. We haven't opened it yet, so let's begin. Okay, let's start opening the box. I guess here. Okay, the box, it looks like any regular box, but what's inside will be very special. Now I'm hoping I don't drop the phone. Please bear with me. So now we can box the phone. Alright, you get the case and your manuals here. The phone. Now let me unwrap this to unveil the gorgeousness of the Blossom Pink Vivo V15. Oops, I accidentally booted up the phone, but it's okay. And yes, there you go. Pink, Blossom Pink to be exact. So I'm assuming Blossom Pink refers to cherry blossoms. So it's very light pink, very chewing gum-ish. And you can see the slight gradient. It starts lighter at the top and darker towards the bottom. And the module of the triple camera at the back is also pink in color. That is accented with silver, gold, and you can see the pop-up selfie camera or rising camera if you're Vivo. It's also champagne gold. Yes. So the edges of the phone are actually champagne gold, which is technically kind of pink, but people call it champagne gold. At the bottom as well, the headphone jack and the charger, the aluminum edges are gold. Alright? And even the fingerprint sensor is pink. Look at that. Look at that. And let's see if the case that comes with it is pink. No, it's just a transparent PP plastic case. Same thing, which makes sense because you want to show off your phone anyways. So as usual, this is the regular V15. Nothing has changed inside. This is a 6.53-inch phone. It has a full HD display and a rising 32 megapixel selfie camera. At the back, besides the gorgeous pink case, you have a triple lens setup, 12 megapixel main and 8 megapixel ultra wide and 5 megapixel depth sensor. And yeah, that's about it. It's got a 4000 milliamp hour battery that supports dual engine fast charging. It's charged via a micro USB charger, has a 3.5mm headphone jack. And this runs on FunTouch OS 9 that's based on Android 9. Alright, it has 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, which can be expanded via micro SD card of up to 256GB. That's it for the phone. Let's see what else is in the box. Papers, more papers. The charging brick adapter, the charging cable as usual, and of course the headphones that comes with it. Nothing else in the box. That's it. So what you get is pretty basic, the same as any other V15 phone. This phone is priced at 1,299 ringgit and you can buy this at any Vivo concept store. The first 1,000 buyers will get a 50 ringgit Simplicity voucher. Simplicity is a cosmetic brand by none other than Datuk Siti Nurhaliza. So if you're into pink, if you're into cosmetics, this will probably be the phone for you. And every purchase of this phone will get you one free pink humidifier. It's a Vivo humidifier that's shaped like a bunny. I don't have it here with me, but it's really cute. And yeah, that's about it. Now this is limited edition, remember guys, limited edition, so get it while you can, alright? So that's it from me today. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you haven't. And remember to comment, like, share, and I'll see you next week for more videos, alright? Bye!